Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD pound dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like gold USD, euro USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So at first, let's look at the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find it on my website abhilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 51% retail traders have taken short position. They are on the sell side and only 48% are on the long side. So it's almost a 50-50 scenario here. So retail traders are also not sure right now in which direction pound dollar will move now. So as a result, we are seeing a scenario like this: 51% is to 48%. Usually, we see sharp difference between buyers and sellers, but here we can see that retail traders are also confused right now. And in the forexfactory.com, we can see that Fed Chair Powell speaks again. My God! So we can expect some volatility. So be careful and use proper risk management and stop loss when the Fed Chair Powell will speak. Now let's look at the chart of DXY dollar. Dollar, you can see right now trading at 98.47. This is the current market price here. Overall, the bullish setup of dollar is still intact. Keep in mind, as long as DXY is trading above 97, okay, market will remain bullish. And in case there is a fall also, we can see that we have got multiple supports on DXY. At 98 we have, then we have got 97.75, then we have got 97.40. So there are multiple layers of support for DXY. So we can expect that for the next couple of days also DXY will remain bullish. Okay, and here is our beloved GBP USD. Right now trading at 1.3281. This is the current market price here. Yesterday GBP was very strong. As a result, we saw strong up move on almost all the GBP pairs. And if we look at the currency strength meter today, we can see GBP is still the strongest currency of the day, whereas JPY is the weakest. Okay, GBP is very weak, very strong, so we can expect that there can be some up move again in the market. But the problem is that, okay, listen to me carefully. The problem is that market has already moved a lot, okay, and if you buy here, your risk to reward will not match, and if you sell also, okay, your risk to reward ratio will not match. Okay, so overall the current market price is not a good position to take a trade here, because risk to reward ratio, or following the risk to reward ratio, is extremely important here. Okay, so if market goes up, okay, if market goes up from here, okay, if you want to take a risk, that's your personal call. But I think if market goes up from here, then the 200 moving average may act as the first resistance in the market, the 200 moving average. So if you see selling pressure around the 200 moving average, if you see price rejection around the 200 moving average, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, GBP should not be the strong currency. Okay, if you see that some small price rejection from above around 200 moving average, but GBP is very strong, then obviously it will break it and do not take a sell position, because see, you have to be flexible, you must understand the other factors as well. So, and the next strong resistance is 1.3450 to 1.350. This is a whole resistance zone in the market. Okay, there is a whole resistance zone in the market. So there is a possibility that if market goes up also and breaks the 200 moving average also, market will face selling pressure around the resistance zone. If you see price being rejected from above, if you see reversal, you can take a sell position here as well. But follow proper risk management, follow proper stop loss, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, isn't it? And mostly we know it very well that because of the war between Russia and Ukraine, there has been a crazy volatility going on in the market. So following strict risk management is very important right now. Never forget, it's your hard-earned money, so it's your duty to protect it. Okay, and be a trader, not a gambler. As I always say, a trader only trades when the time is right, the opportunity is right. Okay. Anyways, you can see that I have also drawn one more level here, 1.3225. This is a level which is kind of very important, because see, considering the present up move in the market, okay, consider present up move in the market, okay, if market comes down, okay, for some retracement, then this level can be very very important. So if market comes down to this level, and if you see market trying to take support around this level and market bouncing from here like this, then you can consider it as a retracement level and you can go for a buy. How we got this level? Okay, let me show you. So this is a 1 hour chart, and here we have the Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So there is a possibility that market will come down to take support, and market will get the required support as well. Okay, and as you all know that I am on a mission, and recently I have started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, so that those who do not have access to the costly classes, they can also learn and earn at the same time. Because when I started trading in the year 2013 2014, I could not afford the costly classes. So this is my time to repay whatever I have learned to the universe. Okay, so if you are interested, you can just check out the workshop page here. The link is in the description. Okay, you'll find all the information here. Okay, so if you really want to take up trading a serious profession, then you can yeah, give it a shot, and hopefully you'll not be disappointed. And if you are simply looking for signal service, if you do not want to take up trading as a serious profession, then yes, I have also started the world's cheapest signal service. Okay, only $2 per month. This cannot be any better. So you can also give it a try also. Okay. So these are the levels for GBP USD. Hopefully I've understood. Okay. Lastly, I would like to mention one thing here. Okay, if GBP fails to be the strongest currency, and if it weakens by as the day passes, there is a possibility that it will break also. Okay, so if GBP weakens, if you see weakness on GBP, then and if it breaks the level of 1.3225 and starts going down, then we can also take a sell position. Okay, but keep in mind GBP should be weak. Okay, because you must understand that there is a very strong difference between trend reversal, okay, trend reversal and retracement. Okay, so if GBP is strong enough, then it will go for retracement, but if GBP loses its strength, then it will go for trend reversal. Okay, and if market falls below this level, we can go for sell as well if the trend reverses. Hopefully you understood. Okay then, bye bye, take care, use proper risk management, stop loss. See you tomorrow.